Hi, Helendra.
Hi, Miss Krystal.
How are you? How are you,
I'm sorry,
Helendra?
I didn't hear you. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So I want you to read this to me. What does it say?
Which of the following is equivalent to 12 3/4 squared?
Okay, and in order for us to square something, what do we do?
Multiply
Multiply by what?
by 2?
No, not quite. If I say 5 squared, that's going to be 5 times what?
Oh, 5 times the number, so 5 times 5.
Okay, so 12 and 3/4 squared would be what?
Uh, times 12 and 3/4 squared.
Right. So if I were to change the fraction 3/4 into a decimal, do you know what that decimal becomes?
Yes. If you convert 3/4 to a decimal, it'll become 0.75.
Perfect. So this is 12.75 times 12.75. And if you use your calculator, 12.75 times 12.75 is what?
162.56. 25.
So let's say this. When we look at our answer choices, we got 162 and 162 here with some fractions. And then we got 144 here. I'm going to cross out that 144 because I know that's not the answer. So I'm going to do that black. Now I have 162 and 9/16, 162 and 3/4. You just told me 3/4 equal 0.75, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This isn't 0.75. So I can rule this one out too. But because we got a none of the above going on, I'm going to look at my 9/16 and put in my calculator 9/16 or 9 divided by 16. When you do that, what decimal do you get?
0.5625.
Boom. And that's what we got when we multiplied
Okay.
12.75 times 12.75. And our answer is A, 162 and 9/16.
Okay.
How does that feel?
It feels better to know, to understand a little bit more now.
Mm-hmm.
I understand it better.
So tell me in the beginning, what was the confusing part for you?
I guess just the question.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
I'm listening.
because like I said, I thought I had to, which I guess is, yeah, that was probably the confusing part. That's what I was doing. I was trying to multiply 12 times 3/4. I don't know why.
Okay. Okay. So now you know when it says a number squared, that means to multiply this number by itself 2 times.
Mhm.
Perfect.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss Hill.
Uh-huh.
I I also got the answer by changing the mixed number to a improper fraction.
Yes, that is another way that you can do it and multiply straight across to get
Yes.
one of these answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Yasaret. Thank you all for joining my podcast on math today. I appreciate you all, and you have a great day. But you don't leave. Don't leave yet.